Hi friends, welcome to Mani's Kitchen and Gardening. Today we are going to prepare aloo paratha. Now I've taken some potatoes. I've boiled it. That means I've pressure cooked it. So we'll mash it. Now we'll start mashing it. Now this is done. To this we'll add ajwain 1 tablespoon. And fennel seeds or soft 1 teaspoon, 1 teaspoon of chaat masala, half teaspoon of chili powder, pinch of turmeric, finally salt as per your taste. If you want, you can add coriander leaves also. Now we will start mixing all the ingredients. Stuffing. Mix thoroughly so that no lumps are formed. Parallelly, you have to knead the dough with wheat flour. Now this is done. Now I have taken wheat flour. To this we'll add some salt and adding little by little water. We'll start kneading the dough. So add little by little water. We'll pour in some oil. Almost dough is ready. We'll allow it to rest for some 10 minutes. Now we'll close it. So I've taken a chapati dough. We'll dust it with flour. We start rolling it. For my convenience, I've kept it on a disposable plate. We normally use this plate for many purposes. So what we'll do is we have placed the mishran here and now roll it. We'll remove the excess dough. Start rolling. This is very convenient for me. So I'll press the sides. So this is the way I used to prepare. Many prepare in different ways. So now we'll flip this on the tawa. Tawa is hot. So we'll flip it. Now we can see. So we will cook it on both the sides. We'll brush little ghee. Has come out so well, so thin and evenly it has come. You can see. Let us roast this for some time. So we'll remove it. Now we'll prepare one more roti like that only. So I'll place the mishran, stuffing. Like this also you can do. It's very easy with this plate. It comes out very thin. Now we'll roll it. Make sure the edges are thin. So flip it on the tawa and press like this. Wait for some time. So this will come on its own. Keep the gas in the medium flame. So you can see slowly. Comes out very well. Wow, looks so beautiful. Let it cook for some time. The gas I've kept it in the medium flame. On the other side. So I've applied ghee I've applied. You can see the color has changed. It's really very beautiful. One more. See, it comes out so smoothly. So please try out this, friends. Hope you even you too will find it very easy, like the way I do it. So we'll prepare remaining parathas also like that only. Because normally on the kitchen platform, what happens is the parathas, they tend to stick onto the floor on the kitchen platform, and it tends to tear too. So that's the reason I thought let me work out in this way, so that our work will become very easy. And you can see inside everywhere the stuffing had spread evenly. So in each and every bite you will feel the paratha's taste. Look at the color. The only thing is you have to cook it in the medium flame only, so that it won't get burnt. So this is the quick and the easy method to prepare parathas more thinner. And our parathas are ready. You can see it is so thin, and look at the stuffing. It's evenly spread and it goes very well along with curd. Have a bite. It's very tasty, and hope you enjoy my video, friends. If you are not yet subscribed, do subscribe my channel, and have a great day. Bye bye.